I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Intermediate Betterment Exam. First, ensure you meet all eligibility requirements for the exam. Next, collect all necessary documents, such as your previous mark sheets and a valid form of identification. Finally, navigate to the official examination board's website to locate the dedicated application portal. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth application. Once on the portal, meticulously enter all your personal information, double-checking for any errors. It's vital that these details match your official records. Then, carefully select the specific subjects you intend to improve upon in the Betterment exam. Finally, upload clear, scanned copies of all your required documents, making sure they adhere to the specified file formats and size limits. Accuracy here prevents delays. After completing the form and uploading documents, proceed to pay the application fee. Use one of the approved online payment methods provided on the portal. Before making your final submission, take a moment to meticulously review your entire application for any potential mistakes or missing information. Once submitted, remember to print or save a digital copy of your completed application and the payment receipt for your records. As you await your exam, make sure to note down all important dates, including when admit cards will be released and the full examination schedule. Dedicate time to prepare diligently for your chosen subjects, aiming for significant improvement. Remember, consistent effort is key to achieving your desired results. Also, for staying refreshed during your studies, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Good luck with your Betterment exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.